In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to get 60 FPS on Nintendo Switch Lite, Fortnite, and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, on most consoles like Xbox, PlayStation, Fortnite gives you an option to switch between the FPS modes, like from 60 to 120, and possibly other options like 30, 45, and so on. Can you do this on a Nintendo Switch Lite? Well, if you go over to the video settings inside of Fortnite itself, you will notice that unlike other consoles, the FPS option is seemingly missing. So do you have to do it outside of the game? Do you have to go over to the settings on the Nintendo Switch Lite itself? Do you have to change something? Does it need modifications to your Switch? What's the deal? Well, sadly, as it stands today, even the successor to the original Nintendo Switch, the Nintendo Switch OLED, is not capable of achieving 60 FPS in Fortnite. This is a game limitation. And it is going to be the exact same deal for the Nintendo Switch Lite. Epic Games has deemed that players should not run Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch console or the Nintendo Switch hardware, depending on the model, at 60 FPS. The game runs at a locked 30 on these platforms, and sadly, you will not have the option to change it to 60 or higher. They do this because of the stability. If you were able to go up to 60 and 120, it could introduce a lot of problems, including, like I said, instability, and the battery drain would be very big. So, as a limiting factor, they set it to 30 FPS only. Unless you do heavy modifications on your Switch, you will not be able to change this. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that by default, Fortnite on any Nintendo Switch console runs at 30 FPS, and players do not have the option to increase it to 60. This is a game limitation, and even though some games might run at 60, Fortnite is not included on the list. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to get 60 FPS on a Nintendo Switch Lite, Fortnite, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!